Welcome to Zephyr Cove, and we are in the neighborhood of Round Hill. So Round Hill is right behind us, and then the lake is right on the other side of that. So this property, which is for sale for $1,898,000, it is 465 Kent Way in Zephyr Cove, and as I said, we're going to check this house out today. This is the first house I've done in Zephyr Cove, so I'm excited because it's a nice house, and I'm the listing agent. So, and who am I? I'm Tuoto. My real estate license number is broker salesperson 144620, and I'm the managing broker for eXp Realty in Incline Village and on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. So if you're thinking about making the move in 6 days, 6 weeks, or 6 months, even 16 months, go ahead and shoot me an email, send me a text, or give me a phone call, and I'll make sure my team and I will guarantee that your move to Lake Tahoe, Nevada will be the best move you ever had. Come on in. We got a really nice, cool door here. I think front door is just the personality for the house, and they've got a great one here. So come on in. We've got a nice mudroom, a little coat closet there, so you could take all your boots off and everything and put your coats in there. And then we have a nice big great room here. There's that nice wood-burning fireplace there. It's all set up with a TV. And this property is on a vacation room, so they have a lot of furniture because this is 6 bedrooms. 6 bedrooms in this house is 30 square feet. So the bedrooms are really big. It's really nice. We've got 3 big decks, so every floor has its own deck. It's really nice. The yard is 0.34 of an acre, so it's a really nice property in Zephyr Cove, Nevada. So let's get back to the house. We've got the great room feeling here. Very comfortable. I love all the beams. The Tahoe look with the beams is great. We've got a semi-formal dining room here. I really like it. It's big enough to fit a lot of people. And then we've got the sliders, a lot of light in. And we have a really nice server here, so you can set up your folks with all their stuff. Very comfortable room. I love the big sliders, easy access to get in and outside because, you know, Tahoe is so beautiful in the summertime. So let's go back here. We'll check out the kitchen. I'll show this part. Again, the kitchen is really nice. They updated the kitchen a few years ago. Beautiful cabinets and granite. And it's nice and big. It has a big open feeling to it. We've got a little breakfast nook over here. So if you just want a little cozy breakfast, you could do that here. We've got your stove cooktop here, the refrigerator, and the sink. Everything, your perfect triangle here, right? And good enough room that more than 1 or 2 people could be in here quite comfortably. I like it. I also like that you have a window. So when you're doing dishes, because I always seem to be the one doing the dishes, which I don't mind because my wife cooks and she's awesome, and I'm happy to do the dishes. I love being able to see outside while I'm doing the dishes. So you've got a nice window here with trees. It's a good view of Round Hill, which is right there, and your backyard. So if you had a dog or kids playing in the backyard, you can watch them too while you're doing the dishes. So walk around out here. Another nice feature about this house, they've got a half bunk right here that's been refurbished as well. They did a beautiful job with that. And then this room is set up as a pool room right now. They've got the nice chandelier in here. But if you didn't want to do that, there's a nice fireplace right here. You can make this a really cozy, comfortable room if you wanted to. Or you can keep it as a pool room, which they're using it now, because this house is on a vacation rental and people enjoy that. So one more feature down here, we've got a laundry room and then a 2-car garage out there. Plenty of room, and then there's plenty of parking outside as well. So lots of great features on this house. So we've got 4 bedrooms upstairs and 2 baths. But we're going to start downstairs where the primary bedroom is. There's another bedroom and then another room, which is not a bedroom because there's no window coming out of it. But I'll show you that when I get there. So we're downstairs now. We've got one bedroom here. All the bedrooms are really good size, and they've got multiple beds in there right now because they're on a vacation rental program, so everybody has plenty of beds to sleep in. But look at the rooms, are really big size rooms, very impressive. So this is the other bedroom on this floor with the primary. As you see, it's a nice big bedroom. These are both double, and this way you get a queen bed here, and there's still plenty of room. So really good size rooms. If you didn't need 2 beds in every room, but if you want to keep it as a vacation rental, this is awesome. So there's a rink here, and then we've got a full bath here with shower and tub, which is gorgeous. They did a great job refurbishing that. And then this room is what we call the primary bedroom. So nice big room. They've got their own slider going out to the deck with stairs down to the backyard. And then we have a nice bathroom here that's completely refurbished. They did a really nice job. There's nice lights here with the windows coming in, and very comfortable primary bedroom in this house. So this is the bonus room. It looks like a bedroom. It has its own bath and a bed in it, but there's no window in here, so there's no egress for somebody to get out if there was an emergency. So we don't want to call this a bedroom. It's a lovely room. You could do a lot of things with it, but it's probably not recommended for somebody to sleep in here in case there is a fire. But it'd be a great crafts room or kids' playroom or TV room, separate TV room, or even an office. So now we're on the upstairs. We've got 4 bedrooms up here and 2 full baths. So let me show you the first bedroom. I'll start this going clockwise. Nice bedroom, again, really big with 2 double beds. Nice light, love the beam ceilings in the closet. Then we have the full bath here with double sinks and a full tub. Really nicely done. That was refurbished in the last few years. We've got another bedroom here, and this is on the south side of the house. So we've got really good light coming in from the sliding glass door, and then a whole deck that runs all alongside the house. So every floor has its own deck. So you can sit out here, get views around you. There's kind of little peaks out there and such. So really nice bedroom here as well. So bedroom number 3 is up here, but before we go into this bedroom, we do have another full bath here. So 2 bedrooms, get a bath, 2 bedrooms, get a bath. So 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. So keeps it simple, right? Again, another great bedroom. Got a beam here I don't want to walk into. Holding up these beautiful posts here with the beams. Slider as well. It's a nice sized room. There's even like a little loft area if you needed more storage. It's pretty fantastic. But once again, the slider goes out on the deck. A lot of sunlight coming in here. Very good sized room. You should be very comfortable in this room. So let's check out the 4th bedroom on this floor. And this is what I call the bunk bedroom. So again, we've got 3 bedrooms here with 2 bunk beds, so you can fit a lot of people and everybody's going to be comfortable in that. So this is the tour of 465 Kent Way in Zephyr Cove, Nevada. Lovely house, the great location. This neighborhood is nice. A lot of families living here. It's great. There's the shopping center is literally half a mile away with a Safeway, with really nice deli, great wine section in the deli. They got a good bakery there, so you can get everything you need. There's restaurants in there, a post office. It's a great place. There's banks. And then one of the funnest things is if you just go right across the street, the Nevada Beach is right there. One of my favorite beaches. It's great. They've got concessions there. You could rent kayaks, and it's a beautiful area right here. Zephyr Cove Resort is about a mile maybe that way at the most. And they've got the MS Dixie up there. You can do sunset dinner cruises. I've done that on many times when we fundraisers. They'll rent it out. You go out there and you cruise out on the boat at night or in the evening, go around the island and come. It's just beautiful. All right there. They've got horseback riding. So a great location right here. State Line, Nevada, where all the big casinos are, and the brand new Tahoe Blue Convention Center is right there. That's maybe 5 or 6 minutes away. Heavenly Ski Resort is right there as well. So the great location with this house in a nice little neighborhood. Everything's really close, but you feel nice and cozy and secluded. So a great house. I hope you enjoyed it. If this is your first time to the channel, go ahead, subscribe below. If you're thinking about making the move to Lake Tahoe, Nevada, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and I guarantee it'll be the best real estate experience you've ever had.